Hi again everyone, welcome back to Stu's Old Cars. I haven't been filming that much today because it'd basically be the same again, but I've now stripped all around the door, all around the rear window frame and all around the back window. It's not totally stripped everywhere, but there's only any paint that is left is keyed up and it's very thin. So I'm going to make some epoxy up. I'll use the HB body epoxy as well in case anyone wondered. You can see all masked up. I'll mix some epoxy up and then get this coated up, keep that rust at bay. Right, so I messed up there. Well, I thought it record, but I didn't hit record. But anyway, it's all in epoxy now. So, a bit dark in here, but all the roof, everything on the body that I need to epoxy is epoxied. If you can see, this looks horrendous. It's because I've run out of filters for me to strain the paint. But had it been top coat, I'd have had to leave it. But as it's only an epoxy coat and it's all got to be sanded anyway, it's not any great stress. So yeah, don't look too bad. What you can see here, not a lot probably. A bit better? Yeah, that's better. Maybe. But yeah, it's all the skulls done. Yeah, it's all good. So it's going to just be a very short and sweet update this time, I'm afraid. But there you go. I also done the edges of the wings so I can bolt them back on now. So next time I'll probably be bolting them on, trying to line the bonnet up because the wings are going to stay on it when I paint it. I haven't stripped the outside of the wings yet. I'll do it once they're on there so they're all flopping about everywhere. But yeah, had a good hit on it today. Not that there's much video to show, but let's have another quick look over it. Oh, that's really gone funny, that has. That's better. Yeah, got a couple of little runs in it as well, but hey ho. Right, so that's it for this time. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.